When I'm young, I like a realistic model very much. This Porsche 934, it is a super car, so nice with a wide fender. Aluminium wheel, the wheel is much wider, and a spoiler. And this type of remote control, it is used wired, not wireless, it is wired. In 70s, this is very popular, and the body is such nice. You can control the steering wheel by the remote control steering wheel, and then you can go forward, backward, just touch the button. Even with horn. This is a Hong Kong made, very big scale, maybe 10, maybe 9. Very, very nice. You can see the sticker, you can see the wiper. Even you can see the bonnet nearly can open. And the headlight, when your car moves, it will automatically on. And the rear spoiler, how nice. I remember I got two. Another one I modified to radio control. I put the body, it is better than Tamiya, a lot. This is a Hong Kong made. If your eyes is good, you can see Hong Kong. Realistic model are not same as the faster non-scale model. In early days, all the radio control are in scale, but later they discover something wrong on the performance. So they try to make the car bigger, wider, and longer. And now, because the technology not the same, we can try to build very, very nice realistic RC model. Looks like a display model, but radio control. This is FMS Beetle 82E. How nice. Thank you for watching.